Okay, today we're going to start with the letters U, and then we're going to progress on to V. So we've already covered K, M, R, and S. And so today I want to introduce the letter U, and then we'll introduce the letter V. I'm going to do a little bit differently this time, and I'm going to show you the letter U. You're looking at the actual text file for the U practice. And what I'm going to do is show the letter U. And then I'm going to start mixing it up with the other letters, the K, M, R, and S, and see how you do. And again, if this is kind of difficult, feel free to go and rewind it, play it through a few times. Go ahead and watch the screen as the letters go by, and get familiar with the sounds, and then maybe try to listen to the audio from the video without looking at the screen, and then go back, write the letters out, and then go back and see how well you did, and maybe practice it a few times. I mean, these lessons are not something that you're going to do one time and then get it down. It's really about being repetitive about it. But then we're going to kind of do the same thing with the letter V. We're going to introduce the letter V, then we're going to mix it up with the letters that we've already learned. Um, and I'm going to do that. I'm not going to have the U mixed in with it this time, but it's just going to be V and then the K, M, R, and S. And then finally, the lesson will mix all the letters K, M, R, S, U, and V. And as you build up, it's going to get a little more complicated. So, I would take some time and learn the pairs pretty well before you progress on. And it's going to take a lot of tries to go through it. But just go through it at your own pace, see how you do. All right, let's get started. All right, so how do you think you did on this one? Hopefully not too bad. I know it gets a little more complicated as we start adding letters, but that's also why it's kind of important to go back and review, some of the letters that we've already looked at. So far we've looked at K, M, R, S, U, and V, and hopefully you did okay. And if you need to, always feel free to pause in between sections. And if you need to, go back and rewind it and start again, there's nothing wrong with that. It's all about, the repetition and learning the sounds. And I'm not concentrating a whole lot on the visual display. You can see K as dash dot dash, and I'm not so concerned about the visual representation as I am about just learning the sound. So let me know how you did. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you got any ideas for how you'd like to see the videos improved, feel free to let me know. I'd love to hear your comments. So take care, and we'll see you in the next lesson.